65 teams from Virginia and beyond put their best robot forward, competing 3-on-3 at the Virginia Regional Championship of the FIRST Robotics Competition. This year's arena, Ultimate Ascent, required teams to build a robot that could fly frisbees through targets autonomously or through remote control, and at the end of the game, hang above the ground for extra points. Teams were given a standard issue set of parts, 6 weeks, and no instructions.
We've developed a community team. We've actually been able to recruit homeschoolers, people from local private schools, and two different high schools and even a middle school nearby. So we've been able to expand our outreach even farther than just one school.
Nick Mosier is with the Carbonauts, the only team to enter the event with a round robot, and it's made with carbon fiber.
Our lead mentors are actual engineers from the Navy and NASA and everything, and so they have experience in this kind of field. So after a while, we kind of got a feel for what worked and what didn't, and so doing that, we kind of developed our own innovation and our own process of making our carbon fiber.
Carbonauts did not do as well as they'd hoped.
With the design that we had in mind, it should be able to shoot autonomously and pick up frisbees off of the ground and climb to the three-point position. So hopefully with enough work, we'll be able to achieve that.
The event at VCU's Siegel Center in Richmond drew a number of teams from the Northeast.
Well, we left school Wednesday at 3 o'clock and got here around 11:30. We've definitely had our ups and downs. Initially, when we got here, we had to add some components to it, which we added on last minute. We climbed to the first level during our first few matches. Next few matches got to the second level, and then by the end we were climbing to the third. And now we're ready for our next regional.
Brandon Bozee with Robotic Eagles from New York says they're working on winning their regional coming up on Long Island.
We're notorious for our abilities here, so there's a lot of pressure on us for that.
Of the 6 Virginia high school teams headed to St. Louis for the FIRST Robotics World Championship, 3 are from Richmond. Considered the most prestigious award at the event, the Regional Chairman's Award is earned by the team that best represents a model for other teams.
I think our robot did very, very well. I mean, we did place pretty low on the board. However, the point is that we had a lot of fun. The point of this competition isn't the ranking or how well we did. It's more the fact that we're enjoying the STEM and it's the journey. Also, in the end, in the practice match, our robot ended up climbing to the 3rd level. Yes, it wasn't a real match, but the fact that it managed to do that was a great success for us, and we're extremely proud of our robot and all the hard work, blood and sweat and tears our build team and everybody that's been working on this robot has put into it.
Team 1541, the Mid-Locanics of Midlothian High and a few other Chesterfield schools, went into the competition teamed with 1610, Franklin High, the Builders of Tomorrow, and 1262, Piedmont Governor's School, the Stags.
Everybody shooting. We got 3 and 2 and 36 and 4 pointers left and right, 36 and 36. It's even Steven as we move into the teleoperated portion of this match. Immediately, the CD changer.
Won the FRC Virginia Regional, and Godwin High and Henrico won the Engineering Inspiration Award. John Ogle for WCVE Science Matters.
Which they do. And there you go. 4 back. But just after they responded, here comes 1610, Builders of Tomorrow, with another 2 in there. That was some nice scores here. Look at that, folks. 64